Hi, I am Alejandro Rosales. I am an alum from UCI School of Social Ecology. Before students graduate from the School of Social Ecology, they are required to do 100 hours of field work at the community organizations that focus on topics such as homelessness, addiction, sustainability, at-risk youth, and urban planning. While serving, we deepen our understanding of community issues. We also take a seminar with a faculty member to apply what we have learned. Through my field study experience at Build Futures, I have learned a lot about homelessness, interventions, and housing options for homeless. Build Future provides immediate housing to homeless 18 to 24 years old in Orange County and provides services, resources, and support needed to obtain and maintain stable employment and long-term independence. This experience helped me discover my passion for assisting the homeless, which led me to my current career as an intensive case manager at Mental Health America of Los Angeles, where I help homeless adults connect with services and housing. The field study program partners with numerous organizations in Orange County dedicated to mitigating homelessness. The program allows students to apply what they learn in classroom and get the hands-on experience helping solve critical problems in our community. UCI Giving Day is coming up on April 25th. Help support field study to ensure the program continues to be transformative for students and the community. Gifts made during this 24-hour campaign will help enable students to impact communities through workshops, scholarships, and student-developed projects. Your gift will help offset the cost of transportation to field study sites and professional wardrobes and more. Join me on April 25th to support the students who impact our community through field study.